Hello everyone, my name is Superwill, and today we're playing Flood again.
Pro killer, please don't hurt me.
One second, I'm just gonna check again. Good. Oh good, go into that please. I got these guys. You got anything working on yourself?
I'm out.
He's a pro killer, quickly get him! Yes.
Go on.
Sorry. Okay, pro killer's dead, roger that.
Jill left the
Can't stop thieving, damn it.
Why you shoot me? Why you shoot? Mean boy.
Come on, we got this. Just that one song, never give up.
Okay, Dad.
Dude, the other guy. They're teaming up on us. I think we're dead. Slide, please.
I get this guy, you get the guy on the left.
Oh, go.
Where's mine?
Nope, I went for a suicide. Come on, Magic. No, Magic. Magic, go for the suicide. That's pro killer flops. Oh. Well, they're dead.
Hey, I got the most damage.
Oh yeah, you did. Damn it. Mystic
Straight up
Magic Man,
destroyed
destroyer.
the most props, and I got the most damage.
Nice. Okay, what pubs do we want to go for?
Good ones.
Okay.
6.
I've been planning of an idea.
Bro,
Hey,
bro, it's me.
Hey, Essentials, can I join you guys?
Pro killer, you seem like a cool boy. You smell good.
Okay, I'm turning off everyone's mic. Cause I... Okay, let's start building. Come on.
In room 6.
Okay, I'm gonna use this other boat that I'm gonna be making as a backup. Okay. You start building out your boat. I'm
Okay.
just using when props that I think might be good for defense.
I'm in room 6 building my boat.
Okay, watch that. Well, I'm building this boat, see if it works. Did you come over to see what my boat looks like?
30 seconds.
No, it's not 30 seconds.
Really weird. I've got 30 seconds, otherwise someone can steal the room.
Don't mind that in the top right corner.
They probably can't see it.
They probably can. I'm just
What are you using to record?
OBS, of course.
Yeah, they can't see it then.
Okay, good. I always use OBS to record. I just like it.
I do as well. You've got to see my boat, it's terrific.
It's the most stupidest idea I came up with, but I hope this works. Magic?
Come and look at my boat.
Well, I'm busy. Fine, have a look. You just went for the normal boat design?
Look at the back, it's got a motor, so I can sit like this and go. Wow, it's already been 10 minutes of recording.
That's fast. It's usually fast.
I'm gonna get an hour of it because I'm gonna be like speeding up a lot.
Okay.
This looks really weird.
I know, that's what it's supposed to be like.
But I've got 20 seconds.
I'm gonna move it all the way over to your base. Moving this thing up to yours.
Oh, good on ya. Were you holding it when it stopped?
Don't worry, I'm here. Oh no.
Oh my god, it was stupid.
No!
Look at my
Oh god, look at my boat! No!
boat. Come over to mine, quick! No. Oh no. Stand on the front, stand on the front, stand on the front, because I need to control. Stand on the front of it, because I need to look at the back.
Poor boat. I feel like it's about 5 minutes. for them. We need to fight them. Fire the rockets. We're going down, man. Quickly to my one! To my boat! To my boat! To my boat! Alright, baby! No! Die! It's over. The platform's still working! Oh!
Well, that just happened.
I did more damage though.
Right.
I did more damage.
Nice. Not close.
We need to do the same design
Oh,
as these
look,
guys.
I have the golden gun.
Wait, what? Oh yeah. How long have we been calling for? 12
12
minutes?
minutes.
Wow, that's successful.
And how many seconds?
24.
Oh wow, I started way before you.
Okay. Back to not talking about crap. Let's actually do something.
You in room 6?
No. Well, I'm coming to room 6 now.
Okay, we gotta build our snake boat.
No, I got an idea. Let's use this.
I was gonna say, why don't we do this?
Oh yeah, the snake boat, the snake boat. Oh hell yeah.
Make it actually zigzag. And then, through all the gaps.
I was thinking for like these, but okay.
Well, actually, yeah.
Damn it. No, I accidentally on my Gary's mod, damn it.
Alright. I'm gonna spread these.
Yeah, I need to spread this out a little bit like that. I can't fit my block inside.
Oh yeah, that's right.
It's really gonna be really bad, but it's gonna do. Then we just add the
And
fences.
in every one of these, but
And then we add this.
hold on, move that for a sec.
Don't know what this is.
Okay, come on, fences.
I always get 720p on my videos. Really good. Oh,
I get 1080p.
Smells like poop, Bailey.
god damn it. I've been thinking of making CS:GO videos. So if I ever never be lazy, I can actually post them. Why do I keep exiting out of my Gary's mod game?
No, I removed the. Oh yeah, that's good actually.
You just want me to remove it, too late.
Okay, whatever. Get these.
Oh yeah, I just accidentally said something that should have waited till you go. Actually, screw it.
Oh no, on the building processes, I'm gonna speed mine up. That's why I want to get so long. Okay, I'm now welding them, winding them, welding them, whatever it is.
Pre-bought purchase. We always need the seats. The seat is a seat. Sitting bull on SS. Snake. And also we need a pet cage for our bed. So we just gotta put the bed cage there. Put the pet cage down here. There we go. This is our bed. SS Snake. This is the most stupidest idea we ever came up with, but it's gonna work. Do this. I lowered the bolts. Ready for this magic?
Let's do this. Cha la 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 la. Whatever that song
Oh,
is
everyone's
playing
dying.
right now. Oh,
You added too much. Oh no, magic!
help! Okay, who are we going for? Definitely the guys over the left. Jade person. Yeah, right.
Welcome to America. Oh, what the? What am I standing on? Rocket launchers ready. Fire!
Steady. Aim.
I'm running out of ammo.
Why do you think good?
Yeah, we're almost actually doing this.
Gosh.
I can't get on the chair. Oh, the chair saved my life. No. Damn it. You have to do it by yourself. Yeah, you're dead. Wait, who's left? Wow.
That guy was the one that was shooting us.
Well, she's dead. We really should go for 3 rounds, right? We could go for 3 rounds of blood, and then we
Yeah,
exit.
well, 4 rounds.
Hey, I got the most spoiler for props. Look.
And I got the most money spent on props.
No, my money's. And I did more damage than I needed to do.
1 weapon.
Oh no, all players have the same weapon once the round stops. Oh, please be rocket launchers. Please be rocket launchers.
It is, by the way, it is. Okay, we just gotta build a massive pile of stuff. Ooh, 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 ooh. Remember this?
Yes, that technique! Oh my god, I forgot about this. Someone made a technique a long time ago, and we used it in the lab. It actually worked. What?
Don't hate on us for copying off of someone else.
He didn't really mind when he did it.
He actually allowed us to copy off of him.
Damage is increased. Come on,
It's not getting on.
get down. Okay, what was on top of it?
It was. First of all. Oh wait, I know what it was. Just simply this.
Wow.
Oh,
I'm just getting it
Wait.
good. Let's get really underneath the water in place. Do it that way. We did this in rope mode. It actually worked really well. I was surprised.
and we won.
Yeah.
Get as many like miniature props as you can.
Um,
Oh my
Put
gosh.
it underneath, we're good.
Like tires.
Snowman heads. Toilet paper. Damn, we gotta add that toilet paper bar.
No.
Can't have a boat without toilet paper. I don't think this would work in real life, so don't even try.
Why would you waste your time on something that we made?
No, we did not make it. Someone else did, remember?
We didn't invent it, but we made this. We made actually, well, wasn't actually this. It was different.
Well, I'm adding some random props down here for
We like
backup. And I'm just gonna make this for no reason. Because,
Okay, whatever, get on. You're on. I'm on. Both on.
best
Wait.
technique ever.
I've got the best one next.
Banana plus.
Okay, ready? Do you want to see something?
I can dance.
You ready? There you go. Wait, don't do anything, don't do anything. You need to look straight at me, and when I start doing this, walk right into me. Walk into me now. You ready?
Okay, it's about to start. No more messing around. This is the last. This is the last round, okay, soldier? You get those.
Are you
You gotta
ready
get those
for
hips
this?
ready. Get that hips ready. Okay.
Yeah, stretches on.
Okay, seriously, you can stop now. Shouldn't have done that.
But it's like they all look at me just like, what is he doing?
Okay, let's do this. Ready?
It's one weapon.
One weapon. They're all looking at us like, okay.
Okay. Oh wow, grenades and harpoons.
That went that fast. How did you look at the boats so fast?
We'll
I knew you'd
sacrifice.
What are you doing? You didn't really need it to.
Move back.
This is gonna be a while.
Oh no. Just step. Oh, let's just like farm off of this.
Need some money. Go wherever this pop is. Oh, there they are, there they are, there they are, there they are.
Ah!
Magic? How did you die?
I'm just, that's hilarious. You know what I mean? I'm just like,
Are you serious?
someone invited me to play Daisy.
You're going down to mother hello.
You're dead. You got so much damage.
Wow, you guys are teaming up.
What the most damage?
What? That was easy.
Oh yes! Go build a Mima.
Oh, baby is dead. He must survive. He's got skills. He's got the skills to do this.
Mima lost. Bye.
I'm just gonna wait until this ends. Oh. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed it, and see you later, mother hellas. Okay,